problem we were trying to solve with our Engineering 122 project was helping the blind people cross safely at crosswalks around the community. We came up with an idea of having a box underneath the concrete slab of corners that when there was a readout that said it was safe to cross, it would vibrate a couple of times, allowing the blind person to safely cross without any harm to themselves or the people around them.
So the solution we came up with was called the Safe Cross. Essentially, it is a pair of load cell sensors that measure the change of force applied to the concrete. When the circuit detects the change of force, the Arduino listens for another high input from the power stoplight to see if it's safe to cross. When both those conditions are true, it sends out a pulse to our 4 vibration motors that will vibrate once every couple minutes, or once every couple seconds. And whenever it vibrates every couple seconds, the person who's standing there will then get the signal that it's safe to cross. So 2 engineerings that could be required to make this possible would be mechanical engineers and cyber engineers. The cyber engineering part purely for the fact that they would have an understanding of the circuitry and electrical engineering aspect of it to create the circuit and power supply. Along with that, they'll be able to take care of the coding and programming parts. Mechanical engineers would be able to then understand the statics behind it, all the materials needed to create the product. Now, when those two would come together, you would have a solid product that you would be able to market to the public. So here we have a demo of the Safe Cross. This is just a small scale model of what could exist. The whole product will be buried underground beneath the concrete slab, but for representation purposes we have a piece of concrete on top. Now what will happen is when you place your hand on top of it, it'll begin to check the circuit and vibrate. Right now it would be safe to cross, but if I was to put my hand on here again, no vibration. It means it's not safe to cross. People will be able to learn to use it as a cue when crossing busy highways, streets, or even just your local downtown.